Hey, so it's been a while. I thought I'd do a quick little video kind of giving you guys an update of my current status. So we finally closed on our new house and moved in. We still have a lot to unbox, unpack, set up, build furniture, you know. I have like a mountain of cardboard I need to figure out what to do with. I got some cabinets I need to build for the garage. They're gonna go up against this wall so I can kind of tuck all the kids' toys and stuff inside. This bay will eventually turn into a project car bay. I still need to figure out what to do with all these totes, get rid of this shelving unit. Most of the tools are set up. I am looking for suggestions for project car, something I can also develop parts for to 3D print and sell. So if you have any recommendations, suggestions, let me know down in the comments. I actually was going to buy a 240SX S14. I had cash in hand. I was ready to go drive over and get it, and somebody swooped in and got it before me. So as unfortunate as that is, that means I'm still looking and I'm open to suggestions. Over here in the fourth bay, I have most of my 3D printers set up. I got my FlashForge Guider 2S, Creator Pro 2, and Ender 5 Plus. My shipping supplies, a couple cabinets for inventory, things for a few random tools I use for 3D printing, and then my newest addition, which we'll get to in a few minutes. It's coming along pretty good. This fourth bay should make productivity a whole lot easier, and it's gonna be way easier to kind of keep everything organized in these cabinets and in the toolbox there. Now moving on to the newest addition, this crazy future tech 3D printer. I know to a lot of people, regular 3D printers seem like the absolute future. Like all the sci-fi movies always have like 3D printing in them now. But this Bambu Labs X1 Carbon is seriously totally futuristic. It does things that I've just never seen any 3D printer do before. And the print quality is crazy, crazy good. That being said, I'm probably gonna be upgrading my whole setup. So I'm probably gonna get rid of the Ender 5 Plus and my Creator Pro 2. I'm still debating on the Guider 2S. It's pretty good and reliable. Leaves a little bit left to be desired on print quality and speed. Creator Pro 2 has a dual independent extruding head that I've never used, not once. So that's kind of, you know, not something I really need. The print volume's not very big. And honestly, I'm just not impressed with the print quality off this printer most of the time. Ender 5 Plus, I can get decent print off, but it's not enclosed, so I can't print ABS or ASA with any kind of repeatability. And almost none of my parts will work open air like this. So yes, I could get a tent, but why? I'm not that impressed with it either. I have to sit there and tweak the profiles every time I print something else on there. So I'm just kind of tired of dealing with like Cura and other slicers, and I just want something that's plug and play, ready to print, and does good quality every time. Just that repeatability is the only way that I can continue making parts, because I'm dealing with like 3 different slicers now, and it only makes sense to downsize and try and stick with one. So hopefully I can sell those two, maybe the Guider 2S, and then I've actually measured out, I can actually fit 4 of these X1 Carbons on this one shelf, so that'd be really cool. But that is going to wrap it up for today. Stay tuned for some updates. I have some other parts in the works, and then like I said, I'm looking for a project car to develop more parts for and kind of create some content around that. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you on the next one.